It was a normal day at Avengers Mansion, until Vision crashed a Quinjet into the building. Then, he unleashed killer Ultron drones. In seconds, chaos erupted. She-Hulk snapped and tore Vision in half. Hawkeye fought back, but died in an explosion. And just when it seemed things couldn't get worse, Doctor Strange appeared and whispered the truth. This was all. Wanda. Scarlet Witch, broken by grief, had turned against her own family. The Avengers were destroyed from within.